Good more entertainment and news updates.
You see, as you can see, Benin passengers traveling from Benin to Port Harcourt are all overboard at the mangrove forest. Some hoodlums who appear to be military men in military uniform came shooting sporadically at the Benin passenger boats. Some boats have sunk. Some people are on the river. We cannot give account of whether anybody died or not. We are seriously appealing to the state government and in fact the federal government to do something. Because Benin people cannot continue to suffer in the hand of hoodlums. Simply because we are respecters of the law. We don't want to carry gun. How could a civilian travel on the seaway and other civilians will be on military uniform, fully equipped? Look at what they have done. We are overboarded. We are lucky to have escaped their hand. 5 boats were caught victim. We don't know whether there is an incident of death. We cannot tell. We don't know. We don't know. But as it is, if the government cannot help us, the government should give us the go-ahead. We, as Benin people, we can help ourselves. Yes. We can help ourselves, we are saying it. The person speaking is Chief Barrister Bennett Okpoke. I'm a legal practitioner. I'm also a chief traditional ruler in Benin Kingdom. I was not told. This is a first-hand experience. Look at my brothers and sisters on the mangrove swamp. Just look at them, including myself. Look at me. Look at me. We can help ourselves. If the government cannot help us, we have the 29th Tactical Battalion there in Benin residence. We have what's that name? Laprado Security Outfit. Equipped with military gadgets, but they are not helping the matters. All they are after is to go into the river, connect with people who are doing all sorts of illegal businesses and living the poor innocent masses, subjecting us to this kind of suffering. It's only God who can tell. We are appealing seriously. We have the president of the Benin community, Port Harcourt, in person of Fibite Adokie Bebe, the chairman of the Benin community, Port Harcourt, is also among the victims. This is a very serious matter. We cannot take it.
We can no longer pass on our Port Harcourt Benin route. On Friday, on Saturday, they dislodged people, collected the boat. On Sunday, they did the same. Today, this morning, 5 boats were coming. They appeared in military uniform, shot at us. A boat is even sink. Right now, some people are missing. We cannot even find them. You can all see us here now at the mangrove. They drop us here at the mangrove. We are all here, waiting. Lawlessly, nothing to do. And the chairman of Benin community, Port Harcourt. This route, the Benin Port Harcourt route, is now under siege. We cannot move again. We cannot no longer pass again. We call on His Excellency, the governor of Rivers State.
Man, help us, man, help. We need your help.
The governor of Rivers State. We
cannot go to market again.
We cannot move.
We cannot go to market. Port Harcourt that we are buying our market. No way to go to market that we collect our money. Please, we need the government to help us. We need their help, please. Look at me now inside the river. Please, we need their help.
This is very serious. It is not a joking matter. It is not a joking matter. Benin Port Harcourt route is no longer safe.
We not just safe. Man,
we cannot understand.
Man,
we can't understand.
Government, man, help us.
We can't understand.
We need your help, government.
Benin Port Harcourt route is not safe. We cannot understand. We can't understand. We can't understand.
If you help us,
let them go and give the information. Can see these are passengers from Bile Kingdom traveling to Port Harcourt. Who were caught, who were victimized by people on military uniform. People on military uniform. They shoot sporadically. Sporadically. Shot at them. I am also a victim. I'm also a victim. I was not told. The chairman, Jagaman local government, should also be informed. Security matter. This is a very serious matter. See, we are held captive. We are not safe. We are not safe. We are appealing seriously to the government to come to our aid. Bile today, Bile Kingdom today is blessed with natural resources. They have oil and gas flow stations. The government is only, as far as I'm concerned, interested in continual extraction of the oil and the gases. The welfare of the people is not taken care of. We have complained severally, over and over. We've written series of letters to both the state government, the federal government, the local government. We've written the whole letters to almost all the security outfits. But over the years, nothing practical has happened to us. Look at how the people of Bile Kingdom are suffering. These are people who are traveling from Bile to Port Harcourt and were held bound by criminals who were on military uniform. They were all on military uniform. Initially, we thought they were military people who were coming to meet us. Suddenly, they started shooting at us. This is an eye-opener. How then would the law-abiding citizen continue to be law-abiding? These are questions to resolve. Question of issues to resolve. The Bile people are law-abiding people. We were traveling from Bile to Port Harcourt when we met a full load of military boats. We were thinking that they were military people. Suddenly, to our surprise, these same people we thought are federal government turned separatists and started shooting sporadically at us. They sunk some of our boats. Some of our passengers, for now, we cannot give account. We cannot. I am also a victim. The person speaking is Chief Barrister Bennett Okpoke. I happen to be a legal practitioner. And this is a direct evidence. I was not told. I didn't hear it. I experienced it. Look at the old people. Look at the people traveling. Look at how they have suffered. We are appealing seriously to the government to do something. We cannot continue to live like this. Ordinarily, without mincing word. If the government cannot help us, I reiterate, if the government cannot help us, then we will sort to self-help. We will sort to self-help. It is natural that human being or every other living creature is defensive. We must be defensive. If the government cannot help us, we must be defensive. The government, both the federal and the state, including the local government, should help us. We have cried severally. Just look at how we are suffering. We cannot give account of how many people that are dead. We cannot give account whether there's an incident of death. But so far, these are some of the survivors. Some of the survivors who are in the mangrove forest. This is our plight. 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 We have the 29th Tactical Battalion, resident in Bile Kingdom. We have complained. We have the Labrador security outfit, equipped with military people. We don't know what is happening. But if we are invited by the federal government, by the state government, we will tell them something. Being inhabitants of Bile Kingdom, we have traced the cause of this incessant attack on us. We have traced it to some point. We don't want to start pointing accusing fingers for now, but if we are asked, we will say something. So that is our plight.